everyone. Today's topic is linear equation. Today we are going to see what do you mean by a linear equation and how to plot a linear equation in a graph. First of all, what do you mean by linear equation? From the word, the linear, it's the equation and an equation which represent a line is called a linear equation. For example, x plus y equal to 5. What is the degree of this equation? The degree of the equation is 1. What is the degree? The power of the variable. Here, the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the equation. Here, if you see the variable, here we have two variables, say x and y. The degree of the variable x, the power of the x is 1. Here, nothing is mentioned, so we have to take as 1. So, the power of the x is 1 and the power of y is 1. So, here the degree of the equation is 1. So, in the equation, if the degree is 1, then it is called linear equation. Why we call this equation as a linear equation? If you plot this equation in this graph, you will get a straight line. What's the difference between the line and the line segment? The line segment is a line which has the terminal point as well the ending point. But in the line segment, it's a part of the line. It's a part of the line. So, in this line, this part, the A, B is called A, B is the line segment. So, we have a starting point and the end point, the initial point and the terminal point. Here, we cannot mention what is the terminal point and the initial point. But here, in this line segment, we have the initial point A and the terminal point B. So, the line segment is the AB is called the line segment. It is the line segment is a part of a line. Yes, come to the point line. So, if you plot this equation x plus y equal to 5. If you plot this equation in this graph, you will get a straight line. How to plot this equation? So, we used to take some points of x and we used to find the value of y. So, let us take the values x is equal to some minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. If x is equal to minus 1, if x is equal to minus 1, y will become as 6. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Now, we are going to plot these points in this graph. So, how to plot it? Here, in this graph, here this is x-axis and this is x dash, that is negative part of the x, and here we have y. And here is y dash. So, here the point is minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 here and 6 is here. So, this point, this is minus 1 comma 6. And the next point is 0 comma 5. See, here 0, here is 5. So, this point is 0 comma 5. Next is 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4. So, the point will be here. The next point is 2, comma 3. 2, comma 3. Since all these points are in the linear equation, if you join all these points, you will get a straight line. You will get a straight line. So, in the linear equation, if you plot the points in the graph, you will get a straight line. This is called the linear equation. So, in the graph, you have to name this line as x plus y equal to 5. In the graph, the scale is very, very important. So, without scale, you cannot do the graph. So, in this x-axis, in the graph, if you measure this distance, you will get it as exactly 1 centimeter. So, in x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to, we take here in this problem, we take this as 1 unit. So, this is equal to 1 unit. Similarly, in y-axis, if you measure one box, it's 1 centimeter. So, in y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. I hope you understand what do you mean by linear equation? Yes, exactly. When you plot the equation in the graph, you will get a line. That's called a linear equation. Thank you.